Drip, drop, splash and play. Water changes every day. Up in clouds so fluffy white, or in puddles, what a sight. Water, water everywhere, in the ground and in the air. Changing forms is what you do, making weather fresh and new. Hey, hey. When it's cold, the rain will freeze, snowflakes dancing in the breeze. When it's warm, the snow will melt, making rivers that we felt. Morning dew upon the grass, foggy mist that we can pass. Steam rises from hot springs high, making clouds up in the sky. Liquid, solid, vapor too, water's always something new. Nature's magic you can see, from the mountains to the sea.